Hi members, Miss Heidi here and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for a 5 food group salad. Do you know all 5 food groups? The 5 food groups are vegetables, grains, proteins, fruits, and dairies. So I'm going to use one item from each food group to make my salad, and you can make one of your own. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my first food group, which is my vegetables, and I'm going to use some lettuce. I'll add this to my plate. And you can also use different vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, spinach, or olives, or any other type of vegetables you like. All right, my first food group is vegetable. And now my second food group is going to be grains, and I'm going to use some quinoa. I'll scoop this on top of my lettuce and just sprinkle it on there a little. There we go. My next food group, I'm going to do proteins. So I'm going to use some nuts, and I'll be using some almonds. You can also use different proteins like eggs or meats. And now my next food group is going to be my fruits. So I'm going to use some strawberries. And you can use any type of fruit that you like oranges or berries or anything else. So here's my strawberries. Add those on. Go. And my last of the 5 food groups is going to be my dairy. So I'm going to use these cheese crumbles. And sprinkle those on top. And there we go. My 5 food group salad with my vegetable, my grain, my protein, my fruit, and my dairy. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!